Looking for pinpoint accuracy in your next project? Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, a self-leveling laser level can take your work to the next level. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best self-leveling laser levels to help you find the perfect tool for the job. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Lfine self-leveling laser level. The Lfine self-leveling laser level is a cutting-edge tool designed for accuracy and convenience in a variety of leveling tasks. Equipped with an upgraded 18,650 rechargeable battery, this laser level ensures long-lasting performance, with a powerful 4,800 mAh lithium battery that supports extended use without frequent recharging. The device features a large digital screen, providing users with a clear and real-time display of battery power, which makes it easier to monitor usage and ensure that the tool is always ready for work. The Lfine laser level also includes an incline alarm, alerting users when the incline exceeds 3, ensuring that the laser remains accurate and reliable even in challenging conditions. For high-precision measurements, the Lfine laser level offers an impressive accuracy range, with a laser line that is just 0.6 mm from the floor and 0.7 mm from the wall. This level of precision is ideal for tasks that require fine adjustments and careful alignment. Additionally, the device supports 12 or 16 laser lines, providing users with versatile options for different types of projects, whether it's for wall alignment, tiling, or other construction needs. The high-precision green laser beam further enhances the clarity and visibility of the laser lines, making it easy to see even in well-lit environments. This feature is particularly beneficial for indoor projects where precision is crucial. With its combination of powerful rechargeable battery, intelligent features, and high-precision laser capabilities, the Lfine self-leveling laser level offers a reliable and efficient solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Coming in at number 4, the Milwaukee self-leveling laser level. The Milwaukee self-leveling laser level is a versatile and efficient tool designed to provide precise and reliable leveling for various tasks. Equipped with a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, it ensures extended battery life, addressing common issues with power endurance. This feature allows users to work longer without needing frequent recharges, making it a reliable choice for professional and DIY projects. A standout feature of the Milwaukee laser level is its touch switch. The sensitive protection system ensures easy operation, allowing users to quickly activate the device with a simple touch. This design enhances convenience, especially for those working in fast-paced environments where time and efficiency are crucial. The laser level comes with a built-in 360 rotating base, providing flexibility and ease of use. This rotating base can be attached to a tripod, enabling the user to adjust the laser projection to any desired angle. This function is particularly useful for ensuring accurate measurements across different surfaces and distances. The device features 16 laser lines, providing clear, visible markings for a variety of leveling tasks. Coupled with automatic leveling and a bright light source, it delivers accuracy and precision, ensuring straight lines and reliable results. Whether you're working on flooring, wall installations, or other construction tasks, this tool offers consistent performance. Additionally, the Milwaukee self-leveling laser level is designed with an extra long standby time, ensuring it remains operational for extended periods, even in demanding conditions. Its combination of advanced features, durability, and user-friendly design makes it an essential tool for anyone looking to achieve precise leveling in their projects. At number 3, we have the Gochifix self-leveling laser level. The Gochifix self-leveling laser level is a versatile and precise tool designed to meet the needs of both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with a 360 horizontal green laser line and a 120 vertical green laser line, the tool ensures precise alignment for a variety of construction tasks, including ceiling layouts and floor tiling. The addition of red plumb dots further enhances its alignment capabilities, allowing for more intricate projects requiring high accuracy. Visibility and range are key features of this laser level. Powered by a high-quality Sharp 520 laser from Japan, it offers 2 brightness adjustment levels for improved clarity. The working range reaches up to 98 feet, and in pulse mode, this extends to an impressive 200 feet, making it ideal for larger projects where distance and visibility are critical. For ease of use, the Gochifix self-leveling laser level comes with a user-friendly tripod that adjusts from 20.9 foot to 55.1 to accommodate various working heights. The tripod's stable pan head enables smooth tilting and multi-angle rotation, allowing for flexible positioning of the laser level. Additionally, the standard 1/4 foot quick-release plate ensures quick setup and removal, saving valuable time on job sites. Constructed from durable ABS plus TPU materials, this laser level is built to withstand the harsh conditions of job sites. The IP54 rating provides protection against water, dust, and accidental drops, ensuring that the tool remains reliable and functional over time. With its precision, enhanced visibility, and rugged construction, the Gochifix self-leveling laser level is a powerful tool designed to support a wide range of tasks with accuracy and ease. Next up at number 2 is the Prexios self-leveling laser level. The Prexios self-leveling laser level is a versatile tool designed for precision and ease of use in a variety of construction and remodeling projects. With 7 leveling modes, this laser level includes 2 plumb dots, a 360 horizontal laser line, and an expansion angle vertical beam, making it ideal for projecting vertical lines from the floor to the ceiling. The Class 2 laser product provides a maximum laser output of less than 1 MW, ensuring accuracy in all applications. This laser level offers dual power methods, featuring a rechargeable lithium battery that can be charged via a Type-C charging port. Users also have the option to use the tool while plugged in, offering flexibility for extended work sessions on the job site. The inclusion of an outdoor pulse mode allows the laser to extend its range up to 165 feet when paired with a laser receiver, making it suitable for bright light or outdoor conditions. In pulse receiver mode, the laser lines are less visible to the human eye but can be detected by the receiver thanks to their high-frequency flashing. The Prexios laser level features both self-leveling and manual modes. In self-leveling mode, the tool will automatically level itself if the surface is within 4 of horizontal. If the surface tilts beyond this range, the laser lines will blink, and an LED light will turn red, indicating the misalignment. In manual mode, users can lock the laser lines at specific angles for customized alignment, perfect for tasks that require multi-angle precision. To enhance its functionality, the Prexios laser level includes a bonus tripod and magnetic bracket. The tripod extends up to 47 inches, allowing for precise adjustments, and the magnetic bracket offers 360 rotation and 1/420 mount threads for easy attachment to the tripod. This combination ensures maximum accuracy and convenience for any project. Finally, at number 1, we have the Huepar B03CG self-leveling laser level. The Huepar B03CG self-leveling laser level is a versatile and reliable tool designed for a wide range of leveling, alignment, and squaring tasks. Featuring 3 360 laser planes, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, this laser level provides exceptional coverage, making it easier to work on both large and small projects. Each of the 3 laser planes can be activated individually, allowing users to select the most suitable setup for their specific job site application. The B03CG offers multiple line switching functions, providing a variety of modes to suit different needs. Users can choose from options such as the combination of 360 horizontal and 360 vertical lines, a single 360 horizontal line, 1 360 vertical line, or even a mix of both horizontal and vertical lines. These flexible settings ensure that the laser level adapts to a variety of tasks, offering precise results across a range of scenarios. The tool features 2 primary modes, self-leveling mode and manual mode. In self-leveling mode, when the pendulum is in the unlocked position, the laser automatically levels itself. If the device is placed beyond its leveling range, the laser beam blinks at a frequency of 2 Hz, indicating that adjustment is needed. Manual mode. activated by locking the pendulum, allows the laser to project non-level straight lines at any angle, making it ideal for applications that require specific angles or off-level lines. In this mode, the laser beam will blink every 3-5 seconds as a reminder that the tool is no longer in self-leveling mode. For power, the Huepar B03CG uses a large 3.7V/5200 mAh lithium battery, providing up to 8 hours of continuous use. The laser tool features a Type-C charging port for convenient recharging, and the battery can be charged separately from the tool. Direct input charging is also possible, allowing the device to be used while plugged in. For battery indicators on the keypad display the current battery level, and charging protection ensures the battery is safeguarded against overcharging. With its advanced features, the Huepar B03CG self-leveling laser level is an excellent choice for anyone requiring a precise, durable, and adaptable tool for leveling and alignment in a wide range of applications.